Hi, I'm Andrea of By Andrea Jansen, and today we are going to prepare a Caprese burger. And this Caprese burger can be made on the barbecue or in a grill pan. The Caprese burger of course consists of a hamburger and is topped with mozzarella, tomato and some basil. And it will bring the summer into your house. Now, let's start.
Mix 2 tablespoons of red pesto with 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Slice the tomato and the mozzarella in thin slices.
We're going to grill the hamburger buns because they become nice and crispy. And then we're going to grill the hamburgers for 3 minutes on both sides if you want a medium rare hamburger, or for 5 minutes on both sides if you want your hamburger done.
Heat a grill pan or a barbecue until it's very hot. Then you slice the hamburger buns in half and grill the halves 3 to 4 minutes in a grill pan. Grill the hamburgers on both sides for 3 minutes. Then you put them on a plate.
And now we're going to assemble the hamburger caprese.
Put that with some mozzarella, some slices of tomato, and spoon some pesto mayonnaise on top. Then sprinkle some basil leaves on the mayonnaise and cover it all with the top of the bun.
And now my caprese hamburger is ready to eat. And you'll see that the mozzarella will slowly melt and blend with the tomato and the burger. Really delicious. This recipe is enough for 4 persons, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the scaling for you. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!